Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is me Zeeshan Hurmaz and back with another hot crypto project. Today just I'm going to give you some detail about REVU, which are listing on kucoin, and all the related link about this one project you will be get in the video description, so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer: this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce you about most trusted and reliable project. Always do your own research before investing in any project. And please make sure, if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss an update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. And let's get started about REVU. So right here you can see a REVU get listed on kucoin World Premium. So right here you can see REVU are the symbol of this one project. And if you look to the main dear kucoin user, kucoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project coming to our platform. REVU will be available on kucoin. Supported trading pair is USDT. So if you want to buy this one token, so you can simply pick up this one project with the pair of USDT. And right now I just want to give you some detail about right here you can see the schedule of the listing. So right here this is the schedule of the listing, and deposit will be open on 6 January and in 2022. So you can see, and if you look to the supported network will be ADA for this one token. And if you look to the withdraw, right now you can see trading will be alive on 7 January and withdrawal will be on 10 January on 2020. So means that right now you can see, if you look to this one token, trading will be alive on 7 January 2022. Means that if you want to trade in with this token, so means that you will be able to trade this one token on 7 January. And if you want to withdraw this one token, so you will be able to withdraw this one token from one exchange to another exchange in 10 January 2022. And if you look at circulating supply, this is a main circulating supply, this is initial market cap, and this is our issue price. You can see 0.12, and this is initial circulating supply. And if you look to this one token, I just want to give you some introduction about this one token. You can see REVU is a dApp built on Cardano to help you manage and pay for your subscription by leveraging crypto and DeFi services. The end goal is to help users manage their subscription and save money. So basically this project are working on the subscription and just to save your money. And this platform are built on dApp and Cardano. So you can see on average we all use and pay for at least 2 to 3 subscription every month, but the subscription economy is growing by 100% year over year. We will spend even more money on subscription in the free trial trips on subscription, and we don't use regularly and or forget about money of us use different cards, debit cards, credit card to pay for subscriptions so more than ever. We tend to forget to whom, when and how much we are paying. In that regard, by introducing user with the Cardano native token REVU, route will be help them pay for their subscription and charge less than they would pay them with their personal debit or credit card. Ultimately, by staking REVU is liquid pool to earn yield, reward user will be able to provide liquidity to other rewards user and subscription due dates and make their money work for them. So this is all detail about this one project. You can see, you can also study step by step. And if you look to the main community of this one project, you can see this is a main community of this one project. You can see right here, subscription, control and pay with crypto. And if you look to community is 30.3k followers, means then community also too much better. And I just want to give you some detail about this one project. Right now you can see right here, you can also check out the main Twitter account of this one project, because you will be get different type of notification from here, different type of news, latest news from here. They'll be give you a different type of giveaways, airdrops, so you must be join this one project. And interesting, I just want to give you some interesting about this one project. You can see this project will be alive, and right now you can see this project will be alive on 7 January. Right now you can see get.io and as well as on kucoin. So it means that this will be listed on 2 exchanges at a time, so they will be gain a huge spike. And if you want to buy this one token, I just want to open the main address right now, you can see, and you can easily pick up this one project from here. And this is the main roadmap of this one project, and you must be first of all open the main dApp of this one project. You can simply download the main app of this one project from Google Play. And if you are using Apple system, so it means that you will be simply download on the App Store. So this is all detail about that. And if you want to buy this one token, so you simply first of all download that. After that you will be able to buy this one token. And if you look at the roadmap is also too much important. Right now you can see this is a roadmap of this one project, and they just going to do something new in the future. So I just want to recommend, because these are listed on 2 exchanges at a time. And if you want to log in, so first of all you can log in. After that you will be able to study about different about this one project. After that I just want to go and give you some detail about the main coin market cap of this one project. You can see this is a main coin market cap of this REVU. So this is a token, and the market date is untraded. This project is featured on untraded listing. For more detail on the listing tags. So basically they just do everything untraded. Means that if you want to buy this one token, so you want to be available to check out where they can trending, where they are, from where we can buy this one token. We don't able to study about that. But if you want to buy this one token, I highly recommend it. You must be joined to ADA, from where we can use the ADA network tokens. So you simply pick up this one token from here, and you will be able to buy this one token from here. So this is all detail about that, because you can see right here, if you look to the we just want to scroll right here, so we won't be able to buy this one token. And right here you can see, and I just want to give you some detail right here. If you look to Revuto is a dApp built on Cardano. So means that if you want to buy this one token, so you simply pick up this one token from Cardano, from where Cardano token network are working. So simply you can simply copy this one address. I will be also placed in the video description. So you simply copy this one address. After that you simply go and paste this one address. You will be able to buy this one token easily. So this is all detail about this one project. And if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel, because I am never miss those coin and project which have a more and more potential in upcoming time. Right now I just want to give you some review of the channel, and you can check them everything in my channel. You will be see everything easily. So I just want to click right here, and after that I just want to click on that, and you can see I'm already uploaded about those projects who are on upcoming time. They have a more and more potential, and they have a more and more events in upcoming time. So you must be subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so you won't miss an update from Zeeshan Hurmaz. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.